Hello guys, welcome back to the shed. So today I've bought a armrest lead for my A6, and what we are going to do is we are going to open this up. This is from Aliexpress. I don't know how many sellers are selling this, but I will put the link to the one, this specific one that I bought, in the description. So let's open this up, remove the old one. That's original Audi, but it's in a pretty bad shape. Compare and then try to install this one. Okay, so this is the item. Doesn't seem to be of any particular low quality or high quality for what it matters. The leather, well, of course this is not leather, but the material, well, it has a little bit of sponge, so I'm sure it will be comfortable. I don't think it will take too much abuse, so in a couple of years probably it will be a mess again. This is not the particular color of my interior, so mine is a little bit clearer, but I really prefer to have this color than having a rubbish one. Okay, so now we are in my interior, and let's put light in here. As you can see, it's a little bit different. Okay, this is very easy to pry out. First attempt, it's done. Okay. Okay, so now comparing both side by side. It seems that the shape is a little bit different from one to the other. So I think it's because this one has more cushion on it. Okay. Let's see the profile on the side. Yeah, this is, we can clearly see that here. Okay. So this is the OEM, this is the Aliexpress one, but I wouldn't spend a lot of money in an OEM part that breaks, you see. Thing is that this is just not worth it to buy OEM. Just buy the cheap one and replace, because the OEM one breaks, you see. It's broken in here. Okay, so I might as well buy another one, because I need to reupholster my seats, and I might just buy another AliExpress one, and when I do reupholster the seats, I'll probably have it reupholstered as well, and have it all match. So now let's install it in the car and see how it works or not. Okay, so we're back. Let me try to do this single-handed, but I think I can. So we just need to push this a little bit. Okay, one part is in and the other is in also. Is it? No, it's not. Okay, so am I missing something here? I don't think so. Okay, now it is closed. Okay, So, and it stays closed when I open it. Okay, so I don't remember how much this was, but it was pretty cheap. And I think it's even though this is not high quality, it brings the interior a little bit. It brings a better look to the interior. Okay, as you can see in here, the fitment is not 100%. Okay, so if you want a very good finish, forget this one. But for a car that well, that is treated like an old car, like mine is, it's not something special. You can use this one.